Hi everyone, welcome back to Top Notch Lectures. Today's video is about the material cost, which is a continuation of the previous video. To understand this video, please check my previous videos where I have mentioned the link in the description box. Let's go into the video. We will continue with the techniques of the material control. So this is a most important terms in setting of the stock levels. So here the first thing is lead time. So this is the time which is normally required to procuring fresh supplies. That is, it is the time lag between the ordering and the receipt of materials. It denotes the date of order and the date of receipt of material. For example, if the date of order is on August 1st, 2019 and the date of receipt of material is on 12/8/2019, then we can calculate the lead time as 10 days. That is, we can exclude the date of order and the date of receipt of material. In between the days can be considered as the lead time. The next term used in the setting of stock level is rate of consumption or usage. So, it is the quantity of material which is to be used in consuming for production. Usually this is expressed normally in units. That is, it may be maximum, minimum, normal or average rate for a particular period. That is for month, week or day. Here maximum usage refers to the highest usage in a particular period. Minimum usage refers to the lowest usage in a particular period. Normal or normal usage refers to which the quantity of material is used normally. Average rate refers to the average of maximum and minimum usage of a particular period. The next term is ordering cost. So this is an expenditure which is incurred for placing an order. So the other names for ordering cost is setup cost, non-carrying cost. So this is usually expressed as O. The next term is carrying cost. Here this is also referred as an expenditure which is incurred on carrying average stock of material in stores. Here carrying means keeping, storing and preserving. It usually denotes in a symbolically manner as I. Then the next term is annual consumption or annual usage. It usually refers to the material which is needed for the production for the whole year. Usually it is expressed by the letter C. Let's move to the formula corner. Here, to explain about the formula, we should be able to read each and every stock levels. Here we will start with the first stock level, that is minimum stock level. So this is the meaning which I have given over here. That is, the minimum stock level can be called as actual stock. That is, if the actual stock is go below this point, there is a possibility of upsetting the production due to lack of material. Hence, each and every enterprise must maintain minimum quantity of stock so that production is not hampered due to non-availability of materials. The other names for minimum stock level are safety stock, buffer stock, or minimum limit. So the minimum stock level is fixed by taking these factors into consideration. That is reorder level, normal lead time, average rate of consumption of material. The formula for minimum stock level is minimum stock level equal to reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period, close bracket. The next level is maximum stock level. It indicates the maximum quantity of an item of material which can be held in stock at any given time. At any time, the stock of any item should not be allowed to go beyond the maximum stock level so that unnecessary locking of capital can be avoided. So these level of stock can be fixed by taking these factors into consideration. That is reorder level, reorder quantity, minimum rate of consumption, minimum reorder period, availability of working capital and storage space, extra cost of storage and insurance, risk, next supply of imported materials and price fluctuations. The formula for maximum stock level is maximum stock level equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus open bracket minimum rate of consumption into minimum reorder period. Reorder level. So this is a level in relation to an item of stock is the point at which it becomes essential to initiate purchase orders for its fresh supplies. It is a point fixed between maximum and minimum levels. Maximum rate of consumption, minimum reorder period and minimum level. So the formula for reorder level is reorder level equal to maximum rate of consumption into maximum reorder period or minimum level plus normal rate of consumption into normal reorder period. The next thing is average stock level. It actually indicates the average stock held by the organization. That is, we can say the average of the opening and closing stock. Here the formula has been given for average inventory level, that is equal to minimum level plus half of reorder quantity or maximum level plus minimum level divided by 2 or opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. So any of these formula can be used, depends on the problem which has been given in your exams. The next term is danger level. So it is the level which is below the minimum level. When the stock reaches the danger level, it is indicative that if no emergency steps are taken to restock the material, the stores will be completely exhausted and normal production stop. Generally, the danger level of stock is fixed above the minimum level but below the reordering level. The formula for danger level is normal rate of consumption into maximum reorder period for emergency purchases. This is a simple problem pertains to the stock levels. This is a very basic problem. To understand, I have given with an example. See here, the following information has been given to calculate. That is, they are asking us to calculate the reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, average stock, danger level. Here the rate of consumption has been given. Minimum 250 kg per week, maximum 750 kg per week, normal 400 kg per week. Reorder period, minimum 3 weeks, maximum 7 weeks, normally it is for 4 weeks. For emergency purpose, so the purchase for the 2 weeks has been given and the reorder quantity is 2000 kg. Now we will go into the solution. So here in the problem, the first point is they are asking us about the reorder level. So the formula for reorder level, which has been given previously, is minimum, that is maximum rate consumption into maximum reorder period. Here the maximum rate consumption has been given as maximum is 750 kg per week. So this can be substituted in the place of maximum rate consumption into maximum reorder period. That is the maximum reorder period, it has been given in the question as 7 weeks. So that can be substituted in the same. And if we multiply, we will get 5250 kg. So the reorder level for this information is 5250 kg. The next point, that is the next question subdivision is minimum level. Minimum level, we have a formula is reorder level minus open bracket, normal rate of consumption into normal reorder period. So every information has been given in the problem. The same we will choose, and we have to substitute each and every item in the same place and calculate that. So reorder level, as we have already found out in the previous subdivision, 5250 kg, the same we can substitute over here, and minus normal rate of consumption. The normal rate of consumption has been given in the question as normal 400 kg per week. So the same can be substituted in this problem into normal reorder period. So the normal reorder period is, normally it is for 4 weeks, and that can be substituted in the same formula, that is 3650 kg. So this is the minimum level for this following information, and the next question about this is under the subdivision is maximum level. Maximum level equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus open bracket minimum rate of consumption into minimum reorder period. In this problem, we have already found out about the reorder level, that is 5250 kg, and plus reorder quantity. Reorder quantity is given in the problem. The reorder quantity is given as 2000 kg, and that can be substituted in this problem. Here 5250 kg plus 2000 kg minus minimum rate of consumption. So the minimum rate of consumption, the minimum is 250 kg per week, 250 kg into minimum reorder period. Minimum reorder period has been given in the problem as 3 weeks, and that is substituted here, and from this we can calculate as 6500 kg as the maximum level. The next subdivision in this question is average stock level. Here the formula for average stock level is half of minimum stock level plus maximum stock level. So the minimum stock level and maximum stock level we have found out regarding the minimum and maximum stock level, and the same should be applied in this formula, and we will calculate the same, and we will get 5075 kg, where the average stock level is 5075 kg. The last subdivision is danger level. Under danger level, the formula is nominal rate of consumption into lead time for emergency purpose. In this problem, it is already given the normal rate of consumption is 400 units, and the emergency purpose, for emergency purpose they have given some 2 weeks, that is as 2 weeks, and that should be multiplied with this, and we will get 800 kg. So this is what about the danger level. This is the normal basic problems. In the next video, we will see about the few advanced problem, and also this problems pertains to the CMA Inter and CA Inter. Hope you guys are clear with this video. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon for further notifications.